Alright, here is a quick review on the Razer Blade 15 model laptop and the actual charger itself. The battery brick is about 250 watts. So the actual laptop itself is very nice, very slim, very slick, very beautiful design, simple to travel with. I have a D brand skin on it, so you can't really see the logo right here, but it's very nice skin. The overall build of it, very nice. This is the underside of it. You have a nice matte type of material, very nice and high quality. You have intake fans right here, and then you have the exhaust fans coming out of here. Really nice. On the sides, this side you have two USB ports, USB-C, HDMI. On the other side, you have a charging port, Ethernet port, USB and USB-C, and then another aux cable. When you open it up, a very nice, beautiful display. You have the keyboard itself, the touchpad, nice matte material on sides. You have a really nice screen display. You also have a camera up top. As you can see, you have the camera, the sensor, very beautiful. You have the speakers and then the keyboard. The keyboard does light up. You have the power button as well. Touchpad does not press, it's only double tap. Overall, a really nice build quality laptop. Highly recommend if you're just a gamer, just want something that looks really nice as a setup, or if you're a creator student or just a creator person who just likes to travel with their laptop and work in different locations. This laptop is perfect, looks really nice, very simple, very slick. Overall, thumbs up.